close into my dream.
It's tashay.reddic and welcome back to another video. If you are just tuning into my series of my favorites, we're now on leave-in conditioners. I did film my favorite shampoos, my favorite conditioners, and my favorite deep conditioners, and now we're on my favorite leave-ins. This was a little tough too, not as tough because honestly, I always got the whole lines, but I just now realized how important leave-ins are. Yep. Without further ado, let's jump right on into my favorite leave-ins. First up is Care. Care's Curl Essence line. This is the moisturizing leave-in conditioner with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil for natural hair types 3 and 4. This is an 11.25 ounce bottle. Care's line is very affordable. This was only $5, I want to say. And the smell is, I love the smell. It smells like Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. Probably mostly coconut oil though. I definitely feel like it's mostly coconut oil. The consistency of this is pretty, y'all, I have hair everywhere. Creamy. I love creamy. I love thick. Creamy and thick products is a go. I have paired this with other things besides this line. I did do a whole review on this line for a twist out, and I will leave that down below in the description box. Affordable, moisturizing. Did this give me good slip? I believe it did. Yes, I believe it did. It's free of sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, silicones, petroleum, phthalates. Yeah. Highly would recommend this product, you guys. It's definitely affordable. Smells great, slips great, leaves your hair moisturized, and it's very, y'all, highly would recommend it under a gel or probably a gel. Yeah, I would put a styler underneath it. I will put it underneath the styler. Next on my list is Shea Moisture's Jamaican black castor oil. Y'all, my hair loves Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil and shea butter, in case anybody cared. But the Shea Moisture's Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. It intensely smooths and nourish natural, chemically processed or heat-styled hair. It's sulfate-free and color-safe. This is an 11 fluent ounce bottle. Kind of going through this. My little sister was the last person to use this. This is why blue stuff is in it, because her hair is blue. Half of it is blue, the other half is pink. This has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no animal testing, no petroleum, no propylene glycol, no phthalates. Sorry, my foot's falling asleep. This is thick. This is very thick. Very thick. Very, very thick. And creamy. More thick than creamy. This is on the little pricey side. I believe this was like $9.99, maybe $10. No more than $13. So yeah, but I would highly recommend this. This literally pretty much pairs well with anything, any gel, any styler, any cream, anything. And Jamaican black castor oil makes your hair grow. So highly would recommend this product. It can be found in Sally's, your local beauty supply store, Walmart, Target. Yeah, highly would recommend this product. And last but definitely not least is, y'all, I fell in love with this leave-in conditioner. Like, I've literally been using it a lot. Like a lot. And it is the yall pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. Y'all, the packaging is to die for. I have not been able to get the top off of this. The smell is so refreshing, like literally smells like pomegranate. This is a 12 fluid ounce bottle. This is on the more expensive side. This is like $12.99 or $13.99. But I caught it on sale for their 5-year anniversary sale. So it's 50% off. Yeah, God was on my side. This is a 12 fluid ounce bottle. But when I tell you, if it wasn't on sale, I'm probably going to repurchase it because that's how good it is. Only downfall, everybody else whose like reviews I saw, theirs was a pump. Mine is not a pump. I don't know why, but it's not a pump. Only downfall, it smells good. It has slip. It's so moisturizing. When I say so moisturizing, literally means so moisturizing. I haven't really paired it with anything else, but I have done a video using this and Eco Style Argan Oil Gel. Results came out bomb. When I say bomb, I mean bomb. Like, I will leave that in the description box. What else did I pair this with? Oh, something else from this line, a twist out. I'm gonna find more things to pair it with. So yeah, highly recommend this product. So I gave you 2 high ends and 1 affordable one, but all of these literally could, sorry, Jamaican Black, Shea Moisture. All of these can be paired with pretty much anything. So that's very good in the hairstyling community. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and please subscribe. Leave in the comment section if you tried any of these, if you plan on trying any of these, what you have tried, what's your favorites, what do you recommend? Yeah. And don't forget to check out my favorite shampoos, my favorite conditioners, my favorite deep conditioners, and stay tuned for my favorite stylers. So, yeah, bye.